Welcome to the DŌST assembly videos. In this one, Dave will show you how to install the seat post using the tools provided with the bike. First, remove the current seat post from the bike. Next, use the Allen key to unscrew the seat from the post. Take the new seat and make sure the rails from the seat align with the slots on the new post. Place it down onto the seat and loosely tighten the screws. Use the Allen key to adjust your preload. Now it's time to put it on the bike. The preload adjustment allows you to change the stiffness of your suspension. Slot it in, lock the post and find the right angle and placement for your seat. When you're happy, fully tighten the post to the seat. Time to test. Look at that bounce. Dave has never been more comfortable on camera. You're an absolute champ, Dave. If you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.